Commodities now. Manisha joins us to take us through what we're seeing on crude prices. Manisha, I guess the fact that, aid has been allowed into Gaza is perhaps keeping a lid on the kind of moves that we're seeing there.
Oh, well, absolutely, yes. We have seen two weekly gains in case of crude oil prices. It is up 2% on a week-on-week basis, and in the previous week, gained up by nearly 7.5%. So after that, some profit-taking is what we are looking at right now. As you said, the aid convoys have started to arrive in Gaza Strip, and that has led to some profit-taking. In any case, while it has been more than a week of conflict between Israel and Gaza, not one barrel of crude has been impacted in sense of production, trade, or export for that matter. And that is exactly what the markets are reading into. Until you see the conflict escalate in some sense, you're not perhaps going to see much premium come in case of the prices at this point in time. Though, of course, we are holding above $90 a barrel, and that is because of the kind of cuts that we've seen in production coming from Russia and Saudi Arabia. That has led most banks telling you that there is going to be a deficit in this quarter, especially with the economic data improving from US, in Europe, and in China as well. The markets also are looking at US suspending the sanctions that they had put on Venezuela oil. So that oil will also start coming into the markets from next year. So it is a bit of a conflict in sense of fundamentals that we are looking at, with markets anticipating that we are going to be meandering around this $90 a barrel mark. It is going to be important to see what kind of data that we get in this week in sense of inflation. Nearly 4 to 5 countries will be coming out with their inflation numbers, and that would be your further reaction.
Okay, got that. Thank you very much, Manisha, for the details there. So we'll watch out for how the situation on crude evolves. Right now, let's get back to some of the main earnings that